So Lucca just came up with a great idea. He wants to do some tricks with our RC cars. So we're gonna try to do is have him go off this little ledge right here, like Lucca is trying to do right there, and see if we could do jumps, wheelies, or what else. So Brayden, you're up first. What are you doing? Over the rock. Oh yeah. That was pretty cool. All right, Lucca, your turn. What are you gonna try to do? Oh, he's doing a side wheelie grind. That was kind of cool. Still not epic. We're waiting for something epic. Uh-oh. Grave Digger crashed into Daddy. I think that's a negative point. Here we go. I want to see what Grave Digger's gonna do. Oh, that was pretty cool. He went over Soldier Fortune. We're gonna have to see that again in slow motion. That was pretty awesome. Here comes Lucca crashing into Soldier Fortune. He got stuck. So not quite epic, still cool. There he goes, he knocked him over. Let's see who could jump off the side right here. I'm waiting for someone to jump off the side. Who's gonna do it? Is it gonna be Lucca or Brayden? Uh-oh, Lucca's gonna try to do something pretty cool. Let's see what he tries to do. I have no idea what Lucca's doing, but he's going up a hill. He's going up a grass hill. Here comes Brayden. Off the road. Oh, over Soldier Fortune. That's pretty cool. He's backing up. Oh, didn't quite get it. If he had some more speed, he might have been able to do the backflip. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go over and see what Lucca's doing. Lucca is set up. I'm gonna see what Lucca's trying to do over here. So he is lined up on some rocks and we're gonna see what he's trying to do. All right, Alright, here goes Lucca. Here goes Lucca. Oh! That was kind of cool. If he landed it, that would have been super epic, but he didn't land it. Dude, he landed it. That was awesome. That right now gets my vote for the most epic trick. There goes Brayden. Dude, he landed it also. That was pretty awesome. Brayden, you gonna do it again? Here he goes. He's backing up. He's backing up. He's backing up. What is he gonna do? I don't know what he's trying to do. They're struggling up the hill. They're going up the hill of death. And they can't quite make it up the hill. All right, I think Lucca's trying to go for it again. Let's see what he does. He's guiding Son-uva Digger. What is he trying to do? He's thinking. right, let's see what you're gonna do, Lucca. Oh, that was so cool if you landed it. The wheels are still spinning. Brayden's trying to find a snake in his monster truck. Uh-oh, it's struggling. Go backwards off the hill. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Keep on going. Oh! That was awesome. Here we go. Lucca. Wow! Oh, he almost got there. He almost landed it. What's inside of it? Dude! He landed the backflip. Lucca's up to. Backwards going down the stairs. That's pretty awesome. Go, 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 go. Oh, look at that wheelie! He landed on the front wheelie. That is awesome. See if you could drive it, Lucca. Oh! That was the end of our video. We are going to continue to have some fun with our RC cars. Remember, new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Smash the like button on our video. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so that way you get notified of all of our new videos. And we'll see you next time. Say bye.